This video is for administrators who switch from maintenance to subscription. We'll be reviewing how to set up and manage your new subscriptions in Autodesk Account, your home for everything Autodesk. We'll also cover where you can find specific resources on the Autodesk Knowledge Network. After your order is processed, we'll send you an email that will keep you informed about the order details of your purchase. From here, sign into Autodesk Account and go to Billing and Orders to view contracts where you'll see a new subscription starting the day after your maintenance plan expires. Click on your maintenance plan that remains active through your original expiration date. You will see your status has an information symbol next to active. This is a reminder that the seats on your maintenance plan will be switched to a subscription once your maintenance plan expires. Click on See Details to check out your new subscription information. The blue mark shows that your renewal is discounted. You can also view details of the subscription, such as the start and end date, and the status is pending. In Products and Services, you'll see your maintenance plan products and when they will expire until your subscription start date. Click the product to see the details of when your maintenance plan has expired. When your new subscription starts, you'll receive a Get Started email with your sign-in information and a switch email that provides your new subscription contract number and a link to the Autodesk Knowledge Network Move to Subscription Guide. Now that your new subscription started, you'll get a notification that gives you details on what you switched. The link here will send you to the Autodesk Knowledge Network with more detailed instructions on how to complete your switch. Find step-by-step help for your specific scenario based on what product, version, and access type you're using. Remember that by completing the switch, you'll be able to access now all the benefits that subscription has to offer, like more detailed reporting and automatic support. In Products and Services, you will see a new subscription listed. Click on the subscription to see your activation method, downloads, and other details. This will appear as new for 30 days. Your original product on the maintenance plan will appear as switched for up to 30 days to give you time to set up the new subscription, and then will be removed from your Autodesk account. Click on User Management to add and assign users to products with single user access in a new, more intuitive view. Click the Add User icon and type in the first name, last name, and email address of your new user. With single user access in the new view, just click on the product that you want to assign users to, and then check the box for any added services you want them to have access to. If you switch to a subscription with multi-user access, you will be in the classic view of user management. Click Edit Access and assign users to services like storage and benefits like support. Refer back to Products and Services to update the license file on the network server so users can access the new subscription. Click Generate License File to generate a new license file and replace your old one. Select the best option for you to complete this process. We make it easy for you to select from a list of available products and create one consolidated license file. You can then copy it to your clipboard, save the license file, and send it to any users. Moving from a maintenance plan to a subscription is a smooth process that we help you with. To learn more about switching from a maintenance plan to a subscription, visit autodesk.com/move to subscription guide and contact support anytime.